wanna go bye-bye? Well, come on anyway. Let's go bye-bye.
Oh. Well, you guys kind of missed it. I'm sorry about that, but number one, I didn't even know if I was going to be able to make this repair, but as you can see, I'm putting it back together, and what I wound up doing was actually putting a 2x6 board. These things are really put together cheap. I mean, we're talking about staples, piece boards on the inside of it, and that's factory. And I can understand part of it because it's got some foam in it to make it lightweight, but they really could have did a much better job putting them just throw it together. And I believe what I'm doing obviously it's got to be better. I'm using some outdoor deck screws with the Torx type heads on them, and as you can see right in here, and along the bottom I got board like actually it's like this other side of the board as far as like what type of reinforcement I got on this bottom brace here, and this right there at that door flange, the part that catches a lot of abuse, right there where you're slamming the door. And hopefully this thing will go back together. I don't know if I took a picture earlier of that corner, but that corner looks a lot better than it was. And you can see how it's I kind of had to wrestle with the metal and abuse it a little bit, but I'll give you guys another shot, hopefully at a finished product. Right now I'm putting some JB black seal around that frame before I put this thing together, kind of give it a little weather seal. Get back with you. All right, later. Well, you guys, I haven't got all the screws in it yet, but what I did was put about 4, starter screws. Oh, and that opened so easy. That's so cool. And of course, we got to put more stuff in here, but yeah, just put a screw here and a screw down here. Sorry about the radio on, but gotta have my tunes when I'm working. Gotta have my soul station. But anyway, lock mechanism is working good. There's the deadbolt, slides out real nice, and I mean, we were slamming this thing to close it, and that hasn't ever, since I bought this thing, ever closed like that. So I am very happy. So I'm very happy with because you can't find these doors. So anyway, do a follow-up on this. Thanks for watching, man. Well, Honey just made it back, and because she always want to help, and I go like, no, I got this. Well, you know what? I got this time. If you remember, it was a bin right up in here. It was kind of, well, it been pried open. I think that was from the door being in a bind, or somebody maybe tried to break in it, but I kind of used the pliers to straighten that up. And look at us, y'all. Look at us. Look at me, man. Look at me. I mean, it catches. Raise it up like that. And yeah. Thanks for watching.
Pull him up.
Come on, crank him up. Pull it up. Boogie!
Okay.
You got you a sun perch, man. Boogie got a fish. Give me some. Give brother some.